Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can customize the toolbar in the Bluebeam Revu PDF editor. So let us guide you through this. So guys, head over to a document on Bluebeam Revu, and as you can see, the toolbar may look different for the given document, so you will need to adjust it and customize it for each document. So let us do it for this document here. What you want to do, guys, is there are two ways how you can do this. You can, for example, right click into the toolbar here to the right, anywhere you like, and add features and tools to the toolbar by left clicking into them, and that is going to add them one by one. Here, for example, appearance, advanced settings, and so on and so forth, to fill that toolbar here at the top. The other option would be to click into tools at the top, to hover your mouse over toolbars, and use the same method. Click into the given feature or tool you would like to add to the toolbar, line style, form, measure, sketch, and so on and so forth. And now, as you can see, the toolbar looks like this for this document and like that for that one. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.